I think one of the biggest opportunity and challenge that we have right now is the ability for AI to translate into business value. And that is what we try to unlock as part of our solution. Intel CPUs are the ones that our platform and solutions are optimized to run on. And we also take advantage of tremendous capabilities and optimization that have been performed on the Intel Core hardware platform itself for us to run our AI workloads. So this has really helped our customers in terms of realizing value quickly and efficiently.
As a platform, we allow data scientists, MLOps, and IT to actually use their infrastructure to run their AI workloads, and we leverage a lot of Intel technologies. Most of the processing by our customers is happening on CPUs, but there's also a wealth of solutions from Intel AMX, the One API solutions, or Habana Gaudi that can be accessed via the platform by our customers. So they allow us to actually provide more processing for these specific AI workloads, offering better performance to our customers, which translates in them getting their models faster in production and creating business value faster.
Hugging Face is the #1 open platform for AI builders, with over 1 million open models, datasets, and AI applications. And we've partnered with Intel for many years to democratize machine learning as efficiently as possible, to accelerate AI from the hardware to the software layer through open source collaboration. Intel Xeon CPUs are the workhorse for inference of efficient models. And together with Intel, we've enabled great new generative AI use cases.
At Roboflow, we believe anything that can be seen will be turned into software with AI. Over 400,000 developers, including those from half the Fortune 100, build with Roboflow's tools to enable computer vision to be in their products and services. That includes companies like Walmart, Rivian, and Cardinal Health. Intel is a key component in how we enable our customers to deploy production AI. From Xeon to OpenVINO to Habana Gaudi, Intel enables our customers to deploy production AI workloads, both on the edge, in real time, and on the cloud.